Okay, you two, you pups know enough about me. Now I want to know things about you. What is there to say? Well, sometimes we have to defeat dragons. Oh yes, dragons? Pfft, yeah, right. Hello there. What? Whoa, a dragon. His name is Sparks. Whoa, it breathes fire. What do we do? Don't worry, I'll deal with him as a rescue night. Hey Sparks, what's your favourite thing in the whole world? Is it marshmallows? No, Sparks, don't fall for that again. No, stop. Yes, come on Thomas, let's get Sparks and Claw away from here. Stop thinking with your stomach, Sparks. Wow, and you do that every day? Well, not every day. So what else do you pups do? Well, we have to deal with dinosaurs too. Oh yeah, like big T-Rexes. Dinosaurs? Yeah, right. Huh? Whoa! See? T-Rexes! What do we do? Just stay calm. Calm? There's a T-Rex staring at me. Don't worry, you lot. Hey, T-Rex, calm down, okay? I think it's hungry. Chase, can you help? I'm on it. Hey, Chef Funling.
Oh, hi, Chase.
We need some food for the T-Rex.
Right. This way.
Oh, where is this food? I hope they bring it soon. Oh, T-Rex.
Here you go.
What?
This giant burger is all for you.
But only if you can catch it. Go, Thomas. Phew. Wow, you pups sure are brave. Yeah, well you've got to be when talking to dinosaurs, and if you need any more help, just ask. So, is there anything you do that doesn't involve huge creatures? Of course! Let me think. Oh, we have motorbikes! You'll like them. Oh yeah! They're probably not as useful as my truck though. Whoa! Was that one? It sure was! My bike is awesome! I can do incredible stunts on it. Oh, why don't you show how? Okay, I will! Whee! Woohoo! Hwah! Watch this! Yes! Made it! Ta-da! Thanks, Thomas. So Al, what do you think? Well, I certainly can't do all of that with my truck. Oh, now that's a challenge. Well, you two, you certainly live interesting lives. Huh? What's this? What's happening?
It was me, Shadow Funling. With you pups out the way, I can take over the world.
You lot don't also happen to be superheroes, do you? Yeah, we are. That should have been the first thing you said.
I'll stop you, Shadow Funling.
Uh-oh. Whoa! Ooh. That won't stop me.
Looks like I'll have to stop you then.
What? No!
Ah.
Hey! Let me out!
Only if you promise to not take over the world.
Never!
Well then, I'll have to keep you in there.
Let's get you out of that net.
There you go. Thanks you two. That was amazing. Thanks. All of us pups have special powers. Really? Wow. You pups sure like to keep busy, and everything you do is absolutely awesome.